Have you ever pondered how we as a global society can effectively monitor the rapid changes happening in our environment? If you take a moment to reflect, you'll realize that our world is in a state of constant flux. The Earth's environment is currently facing a multitude of challenges that are both daunting and complex. From the rapidly melting polar ice caps to the shrinking rainforests and the ever-expanding concrete jungles, our planet is undergoing unprecedented transformations. Climate change, a phenomenon once relegated to the realm of scientific speculation, is now a palpable reality affecting every corner of our world. The rising sea levels, the intensifying storms, the searing heat waves, these are not just news headlines, but the stark manifestations of a warming globe. Parallel to this, deforestation continues to ravage our planet's lungs, the rainforests, at an alarming rate. This loss of green cover not only disrupts the biodiversity but also exacerbates climate change by reducing the Earth's capacity to absorb carbon dioxide. And then there's urbanization, another significant factor reshaping our environment. Cities are growing, sprawling outwards and upwards, consuming land and resources at an unprecedented pace. This relentless expansion impacts not just the natural landscapes but also the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the overall quality of life. Monitoring these rapid changes is a monumental task. Traditional methods of environmental monitoring often fall short, unable to provide the comprehensive, real-time data we need. They are limited in scope, scale, and speed, making it challenging to grasp the full extent of the changes and devise effective strategies to mitigate the impacts. The consequences of these environmental shifts are far-reaching, affecting everything from food production and water supply to human health and economic stability. We are in dire need of more advanced, more efficient systems to monitor these changes and inform our actions. The key to tackling these challenges could lie far beyond our planet, in the vast expanse of space. The potential of space-based technologies in revolutionizing environmental monitoring is immense, and it's time we explore these possibilities. Space exploration has always been about more than just reaching new frontiers. It's about the advancements in technology that help us better understand our own planet. The evolution of space-based technologies is a tale of human curiosity, ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. The journey began in 1957 when the Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, into space. This was a simple device by today's standards, merely beeping as it circled the Earth, but it ignited a spark that led to an explosion of innovation. In the following years, space agencies worldwide labored to send more complex and capable satellites into space. Weather satellites started beaming back images of our planet from space, providing meteorologists with unprecedented perspectives on weather patterns. Satellites for communication began to shrink the world, connecting people across vast distances and transforming the way we live and work. The turn of the millennium brought a new era for space technologies. The International Space Station, a testament to international cooperation, started its life in orbit. Here, scientists from around the globe can work together, conducting experiments that could not be performed on Earth. In the last 2 decades, the proliferation of satellites has accelerated, thanks in part to the miniaturization of technology. Today, a single launch can deploy dozens of small satellites, each capable of collecting precise data about our planet's environment. These satellites are our eyes in the sky, tracking the health of Earth's ecosystems, monitoring the effects of climate change, and providing early warnings of natural disasters. They help us understand the complex dynamics of our planet, from the swirling patterns of ocean currents to the slow creep of desertification. Space-based technologies are also crucial for global navigation systems, enabling everything from your smartphone's map app to precision farming, which optimizes crop yields while minimizing environmental impacts. The evolution of space-based technologies is a story of human progress. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, pioneering new ways to observe and interact with our world. It's about using the vantage point of space to gain a better understanding of our home planet. Space-based technologies have opened up a new perspective for us to view and understand our planet. From the vantage point of space, we can observe Earth in ways that are not possible from the ground. When we talk about space-based technologies, we're talking about the satellites that orbit our planet, capturing an array of data that helps us monitor and understand our environment. One of the crucial roles space-based technologies play is in tracking weather patterns. Satellites equipped with sophisticated instruments observe the Earth's atmosphere, providing meteorologists with essential data about temperature, humidity, wind speed, and cloud formations. These data points allow us to predict weather patterns and forecast storms, hurricanes, or typhoons, potentially saving lives and reducing property damage. But that's not all. These space guardians also monitor natural disasters. For instance, when a wildfire breaks out, satellites can detect heat signatures and the spread of smoke, helping firefighters and emergency teams respond more effectively. During earthquakes, satellites can measure ground shifts, helping scientists understand the Earth's tectonic movements and potentially predict future seismic activities. Satellites also play a key role in observing the global phenomenon of deforestation. By taking regular snapshots of the Earth's surface, satellites can detect changes in land use, including the loss of forests. This information is vital in the fight against climate change, as forests are key carbon sinks, soaking up carbon dioxide that would otherwise heat up our planet. Similarly, satellites keep a watchful eye on urbanization. By comparing satellite images over time, we can see how cities expand and evolve. This information helps urban planners make informed decisions, ensuring that the growth of cities is sustainable and doesn't encroach on precious natural habitats. And let's not forget the role of space-based technologies in climate change monitoring. Satellites measure sea levels, ice caps, and global temperatures, providing us with a comprehensive picture of our changing planet. This data is crucial for scientists studying climate change, helping them predict future trends and understand the impact of human activities on our planet. Space-based technologies also aid in monitoring air and water quality. Satellites can detect harmful pollutants in our atmosphere or oceanic dead zones where oxygen levels are too low to support marine life. These observations help policymakers and environmentalists develop strategies to combat pollution and protect our planet's vital resources. In conclusion, space-based technologies are our eyes in the sky, providing us with a unique perspective of our planet. They allow us to monitor our environment in real time, track changes over time, and understand the complex interplay between natural and human-induced phenomena. These satellites provide us with invaluable data and insights, enabling us to make informed decisions about our planet's future. Indeed, the role of space-based technologies in environmental monitoring cannot be overstated. They are in many ways our first line of defense in the fight to protect and preserve our planet. The potential of space-based technologies in environmental monitoring is immense and largely untapped. Imagine a world where we can predict climate change effects with pinpoint accuracy, manage our resources with unprecedented efficiency, and find solutions to some of our planet's most daunting environmental challenges. That's the world space-based technologies could help us create. As we peer into the future, it's clear that these technologies offer a wealth of untapped potential. We've already seen how they can help us track weather patterns and monitor deforestation on a global scale, but that's just the beginning. With advances in technology and increased investment, we could leverage satellites to predict and mitigate the effects of climate change, offering us a chance to proactively address these challenges instead of merely reacting to them. Imagine being able to forecast long-term weather patterns with a degree of accuracy that allows farmers to maximize their crop yields and minimize waste, or being able to monitor ice caps and predict sea level rises, giving coastal cities the time they need to adapt and protect their citizens. Space-based technologies could also revolutionize the way we manage resources. Satellites could monitor water levels in our reservoirs, helping us manage our water supply more efficiently. They could track land usage, helping us make more informed decisions about urbanization and agriculture. And they could even help us monitor air quality, providing real-time data that could inform pollution control strategies and improve public health. But perhaps the most exciting potential lies in the possibility of finding solutions to some of our biggest environmental challenges. Satellites could help us track and mitigate the effects of natural disasters, from forest fires to hurricanes. They could help us monitor biodiversity, tracking endangered species, and helping us protect our planet's precious wildlife. The future of environmental monitoring lies in space. The question is, are we prepared to harness its full potential? The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself, It's up to us to seize these opportunities and use them to create a better future for our planet. The revolution in environmental monitoring is already underway, and it is happening in space. We've journeyed from understanding the basic state of our planet to tracking complex environmental patterns using sophisticated space-based technologies. These satellites are silent sentinels, constantly watch over us, mapping weather patterns, observing natural disasters, and monitoring deforestation, urbanization, and the ever-present threat of climate change. Space-based technologies have not only revolutionized the way we monitor our environment, but also how we respond to these challenges. With these tools, we are more equipped than ever to take on the responsibility of safeguarding our planet, our only home. The potential for these technologies is vast, from predicting future environmental conditions to aiding in the development of sustainable strategies. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember those twinkling lights aren't just stars, they're our eyes in the sky watching over our planet and helping us protect it. Before we conclude, let's take a moment to consider how we as individuals can engage with this space-based revolution. While we may not all be astronauts or scientists, our role in this journey is equally important. We can stay informed about the latest developments in space technology and environmental monitoring. We can support policies and initiatives that promote the use of these technologies for environmental conservation. And perhaps most importantly, we can educate others about the importance of these tools in our fight against climate change. Remember, every like, share, and comment on videos like this one helps to spread the word about these crucial issues. Your engagement could inspire someone to pursue a career in this field, or motivate a decision-maker to prioritize environmental policies. So if you've learned something new from this video, don't forget to give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments section. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and share it with your friends and family. Together, we can be part of the space-based revolution, helping to protect our planet for future generations.